Hello everybody, this video is factorising quadratics. Now this is when there's positive, both these terms are positive. Now when we look at this, we're going to have two sets of brackets. And when we was expanding before, we started off with two brackets. We times everything from one bracket for everything in the other bracket. Now the first thing we do is we find the factors of x squared, and it's always going to be x and x. So the first thing we do is we put x here and x here. We're then going to look for numbers that times to make 3, but they need to also add to make 4. Now the only numbers that times to make 3 are 1 and 3. And when we add these, we get 4. So we can put plus 1 into here and plus 3 into here. Doesn't matter which bracket you put it in, as long as that they're both positive. Next one, so we always have two sets of brackets. We're looking for, this is going to be x and x, because x times x gives x squared. Now we're looking for numbers that times to make 5, but add to make 6. Now the only numbers that times to make 5 is 1 and 5, and they both add to make 6. So we can put 1 in here and 5 in here. So same again, so we've got x and x. We're going to have two brackets. So we've got x in this bracket, x in this bracket. Now numbers that times to make 12, we've got 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Now this is a little bit different. We're trying to look for the ones that make 8, and the only ones that make 8 are these two. So these two times to make 12, but add to make 8. So we put plus 2 and we put plus 6. And the last one, similar sort of thing. So we've got x and x, and it's the same factors. So we've got 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Now we're looking for the ones that add to make 7, and it's this one here. So we've got plus 3 and we've got a plus 4.